Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok unable to authorize issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are trying to log in your TikTok account on your iPhone but you are facing this error and you are unable to log in your TikTok account, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, basically to fix the TikTok unable to authorize error on an iPhone usually occurs when there is a glitch in your device's date and time sync, or a background VPN interfacing, or a corrupt app cache. So guys, you can quickly resolve this by offloading the app in your settings, checking your date and time, and ensuring to VPN is not active. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and then go to TikTok, and from here offload your TikTok app for one time, and after this reinstall the app again and update your TikTok to the latest version as well during a new install. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to open the general section again and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here, or turn on the toggle for set automatically from here, and then go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly as well. So guys, do this, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, drag down your control center and change your internet connection. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you're using mobile data, then use your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, restart your device and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to go to your TikTok and then tap on this question mark button, and then tap on this button in the corner, and from here again tap on this, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the TikTok team. So guys, you have to simply explain here your problem in a brief way, and after this they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.